A single injection costs $300. No FDA approval. No long-term studies. Yet millions inject these mysterious peptides into their bodies every month, convinced they've found the fountain of youth. What if I told you this $50 billion industry exists primarily because of a psychological trick your brain plays on itself? The peptide craze isn't just about molecules and amino acids. It's about exploiting three fundamental weaknesses in human psychology. Today you'll discover how your own mind becomes the perfect sales weapon against you, why intelligent people fall for peptide promises, and the psychological mechanisms that make these compounds feel more powerful than they actually are. First, the complexity bias. Your brain assumes that complicated solutions work better than simple ones. Peptides have intimidating names like BPC 157 or ipamorelin. The injection process feels medical and sophisticated. Compare this to the advice eat better and exercise more. Which feels more powerful? Your psychology votes for the complex peptide every time, even though the simple advice has decades of proven results. Second, the investment justification trap. When you pay $300 for a peptide injection, your brain refuses to accept it might be worthless. This cognitive dissonance forces you to notice every tiny improvement and ignore contradictory evidence. You paid premium prices, so your mind convinces itself the results are premium too. The more expensive the peptide, the stronger this psychological effect becomes. Third, the ritual effect amplifies everything. The careful measuring, sterile injection process, and scheduled timing create a powerful psychological ritual. Your brain releases dopamine during the injection, expecting results. This anticipatory pleasure makes you feel better before the peptide even acts. Many peptide users are actually getting high off their own expectations, not the compound itself. Here's the disturbing truth. Peptide companies study these psychological vulnerabilities more than they study their actual products. Marketing budgets exceed research budgets. They know exactly which cognitive biases to trigger, which testimonials to showcase, and how to make you feel special for discovering their cutting-edge solution. You're not buying medicine. You're buying a carefully crafted psychological experience. Understanding these psychological manipulations doesn't make you immune. It makes you dangerous to those who would exploit you. If you want to decode more of the hidden psychology that controls your decisions, subscribe now. Every week we expose the mental tricks that separate you from your money and your rational thinking. Hit that like button and turn on notifications. Knowledge is your only defense against a world designed to manipulate your mind.